Welcome to my channel. Today we will be removing Mini Countryman R60 diesel fuel rail pressure sensor. Using 3/4 spanner or 19 mm, remove the fuel line pipe that is attached from the injector to the fuel rail pressure sensor. The arrangement of the pipes are as followed. First pipe coming from the fuel rail is for first injector. Second pipe is for the third injector. Third pipe is for the second injector. Fourth pipe is for the fourth injector, and the fifth pipe comes from the injector pump. First and third pipe is identical, and so is the second and fourth pipe. Fuel will also spill while removing the pipes, so keeping a cloth, so you might want to keep a cloth in handy. Bear in mind that both the sides of the pipe are different and the nibble part of the pipe goes in the fuel rail. Now let's remove all the injector pipes. Now loosen the pipe coming from the injector pump. You cannot remove the injector pipe as the pipe goes in between the inlet manifold, and in order to remove the pipe, you need to remove the inlet manifold and wirings. Now, remove the fuel rail pressure sensor connector. I used flat heads to remove the connector for better camera angle, however you can remove it by hand. Finally, using E10 Torx, remove the 4 bolts holding the fuel rail. Now remove the pipe from the fuel rail and you have successfully removed your fuel rail pressure sensor. The towel would come in handy, just about now. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.